Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Urban Specialist. So today I'm looking at a 2020-21 Forest River Rockwood Ultralight. It's actually in here for some maintenance stuff, but while it's here, we're actually doing the side cameras and a backup camera and monitor on this fifth wheel. So the guys are still putting it in. They haven't finished cleaning everything up. But while they were doing that, they plugged in the unit, and when the unit was plugged in charging, we started smelling that sulfur smell. And so if you've ever smelled that, that's just the indicator that the batteries have gone bad. And so as you can see in here, the technicians pulled the covers off to check to see what's going on with the batteries. And as I scoot in here closer, you can see, I don't know if we've got the best light, but the batteries have been boiling over. The water probably hasn't been being checked on them. These are maintenanceable batteries. So when you see these lids like that, those need to get popped off periodically, depending on how much you're using it or how you're plugging it in or storing it, and check the water level in the batteries. It's also a good idea to cycle the batteries to charge them up and down, but keep in mind not to discharge the batteries more than 50% because it'll end up damaging the battery. So some other things I noticed too on here, and I don't know if we're going to correct it if we ends up having us replace them, but the battery cables on them are real small. And again, it's a vented system for a fifth wheel. And so typically a lot of times when those are vented, people aren't getting in there and checking them and maintaining them as they should. So, all right, well, hopefully this tip helps you, and stay tuned for more. I got one of my peoples that's wanting to talk to me. So say hi, Sam. Hi, Sam.
Hello.
And so if you come in to see us, Sam will usually be one of the ones that checks you in and takes care of you. She's awesome, and she's been here forever. So she's camera shy, so I won't put her on her too much so she get mad at me. All right, well, hey, everybody, thanks and have a great day. This is Dustin, Urban Specialist.